Goko nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Thutha wa must go kuga ati ndakaneana power kuri opposition ka mundu ugashida ekumetaga tribalist andu matena mifako Rigathi wa Gachagua ni amucokeria. Guys, akinde mwe taswira eno mutongoria bũrũri akiugo niambite kuona mwaka wa 27 niambite kuona riri failures ciake ciothe na kona mwaka wa 27 ndagathurwo. He knows that he will not be elected na andu ni makaregana nake na njira nene. Koguo ukakuga ati ndakaneana power kwi mundu uria ugashida na be mundu ni atiriri already ni amenya ni agashidwo na baigire ame panic vibaya sana. Ona timu yake as we speak ime panic. Marakara maremena a Kenya, and they know this administration know, this regime knows it has failed, and they know that. Nikyo aleyo mirogo ona Uhuru akiri hau na Uhuru thutha kuna mwaka 22 Ruto uria okete na hinya mwingi ni wambirie kwenda kaneana hinya the same way Ruto nionete githurano gya 27 ndagathurwo nikyo ru arabi kweterere ndakaneana. Koguo already he has confirmed that ni agashidwo to ndakaneana. Okay, agishidetwo nikyo ndakaneana toro angikoni agashida ndangirauga uguo no to ni amenya ni agashidwo nikyo ndakaneana. Na Gachagua ni amucokeria na ndenda tuthikiririe uria Rigathi wa Gachagua amucokeria. Na Gachagua ala inject ndaramuiga ngure gwa podcast na munegete kinene muno musubscribe thini wa channel ino tukwenda kuria politics yothe yo Gachagua.
Nimesikia Kasongo amesema akiwa huko Western Kenya ati ya kwamba akishindwa hata handover kwa watu ambaye hawana plan. Wacha nikuambie Kasongo, umefanya mzuri kukubali utashindwa, hapo umepata, si ndio? Pahali umeangukia Kasongo, there is no provision of handing over in the Kenya Constitution. What there is assumption of office. Hatuhitaji wewe kwa rais mpya ambaye atachaguliwa na Wakenya kuchukua ofisi. Kasongo aende asiende? Aende asiende?
Guys, kinara kana must go kuogwo ni blanda nene muno eka. From my point of view, it's a slip of a tongue. Kani blanda nene muno eka. Itenoka ha blanda no oka no akoriri aida ko divert attention akiwo goi no akone attention aida ko divert attention ya Kenya kuma kwigiko kia Albert gina andu mambie kuwa uhoro wake augire dakane na power no kon ni attention aikoda ko divert because he's a politician nego thaka kadi. Number 2, it's a big blunder ekite niki nehi goreu ogera a Kenya maruo na matokoya. A Kenya ni arakaru na oringi nyogera marakara maya kuri a Kenya akiuga ati ndakaneana power. A Kenya makarakara muno tondu mundu wothe uraigua story ino ni murakaru tongea thini wa social media platforms ciothe most ongea thini wa social media most ino story ni werarerio na ongerwa politicians kwina aria mabitie gwikoria go post ide tweno gra bloggers ni mabitie come post na niyo era trend thaici na warora thini wa conversation a Kenya ni arakaru na marauga atiriri he must go. Niki gatiba no gina igifuatwo. First thing nioe wega ndagiregera gitaini kiu. Remember tutirathwo ni katiba ya Moi ya before 2010 constitution. Katiba ya 2010 constitution niyo kire ekiheria maundu maya mothe. Before that nikyo ni Gibaki akiapishwo na nduma tondu katiba ya atumagirwo ni magikira maundu mau no katiba eno ndetikiretie maundu macio mekike. And you cannot go against constitution because no one is above the law and constitution. Ithurano tungikana thie must go aiko into 50+1 oyo ge into 50+1 no gina power akaniana. In fact, it's all about assumption of office. It's not about giving power. It's about assumption of office. They will not require him. And she do, because it's about assumption of office. We herio ni we herio na katiba na idhura ciekwo mundu ungi acinde we ni we herio. It's not a must uwe hapo hivyo. We umeondoka mtu mwingine assume office. Ndugirega thini wa office hiyo. The constitution is so clear, and must go knows the constitution is so clear. He knows that. Anyway, gatetere tuone ule uikara no ni haredona must go ni abia wiki athari tene ni abia wiki ya kicks tene muno. We are too far, 2 years to election. Ni abia wiki ya mateke tondo ni arona dagathuro. In fact, hena handu agionete Raila guti don in any way Raila ndamuteithia in any way na nionete ugo na Raila ndako na influence mwaka wa 2027 in any way. Atoria komandaga section nyingi cia Kenya. Raila we won't have any power. In fact, avikwira andu kwiko ni Ruto tosha. Ona Raila anauga Ruto tosha. Guys, it would make any difference. Because ona Aruo Jaruo ni anogu. Marauga atia, he must go because he must go. Ona Luo Kenya Nation buvagi kwe kia ujuang maugeti yo na makehita he must go. Ona Raila anoga ate kana atia andu aingi ma support Raila marauga we are not supporting him ndakanoke uturanga atia ona anauga oguo ithuĩ mundu uyu no ngina kainuka ngikana mwatukana na andu ukiwithi utukana na andu acio no makwire na mukiarie nao no igwe. So must go knows he is going home. So he ni kupanic na ni guikia araikia thari. Ladies and gentlemen, nikiona akiyumira he will not give but according to Constitution of Kenya power no gina akaniana. No one is above the law. No one is above the Constitution of Kenya. So if it's about power, lazima atapidia assumption of office. No gina kera office niyo inegero mudugi kuringana katiba because sovereign power belong to the people. Nado maamua ni maamua. You cannot go contrary. No one is above the law. Hey, there's a big blunder. Tonikuwa gera Kenya marakara maige. There's a big blunder eka na ni mahitia manemono eka by the way. But anyway, it is what it is. Agatho tetu ne wego wikara, ketu tetu ne we mondo me wikara, but it's a big blunder man. Ugo na we podcast. Mwana manyu mnaiko inywe mnaona atia. Thank you. Geo matwini amradwe. Thank you guys.